Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nabila Rodisa from PBIB. I will read text 3. Ordinary aspirin is truly a wonder drug. Aspirin, the most popular drug in the world today. Many people take aspirin when they have heat taste. It is effective in dropping other things too. This article discusses the history and uses aspirin. America this year will swallow 500 tons of aspirin, one of the safest and the most effective drugs invented by man, the most popular medicine in the world today. It is an effective pain reliever. Its bad effects are relatively mild and is cheap. 4 million of people suffering from arthritis, it is the only thing that works. Aspirin, in short, is truly the 20th century wonder drug. It is also the second largest suicide drug and is the leading cause of death among children. It has side effects that, although relatively mild, are largely unfortunate among ourselves. Although aspirin was first sold by a German company, it has been around much longer than that. People created in ancient Greece understood the medicinal value of the leaves and tree bark, which today are known to contain salicylated. This chemical in aspirin. During in 16th century, there was a great deal of experimentation in Europe with this chemical, and it led to the introduction of aspirin. Aspirin led to the table were available in the United States. A small quantity of aspirin, 2-5 grains table, relieves pain and inflammation. It also reduces fever by interfering with some of the body's reaction. Specifically, aspirin seems to slow down the information of the acid involved in pain and the complex chemical reaction that cause fever. The chemistry of this acid is not fully understood, but the slowing effect of aspirin is well known. Aspirin is very irritating to stomach lining, and many aspirin takers complain about upset stomach. There is a right way and wrong way to take aspirin. The best way is to chew the tablets before swallowing them with water, but few people can stand with the bitter taste. Some people suggest pressing the tablets in milk or orange juice and drinking that. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.